In this video, we show how to replace riser 1 on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover and air shroud removed from the system, to remove riser 1, loosen the 2 captive screws securing it in place. Push back on the release latch and lift the riser out. To install riser 1, align it with the system and lower it into place. Push all the way down until it clicks, and then tighten the 2 captive screws on the rear of the system. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.